Okay, friends, welcome back. And now this is a third video in the series of Excel new formulas. And now we are going to learn what is to call and to row. Yes, those who are working in Excel, they will quickly understand that it is all about transposing a data. But in the old transpose, what was happening? You normally copy, we come here, you right click and you say transpose. But this is not dynamic. Yes, there was a formula also, if you know, equal transpose. But now you have an amazing formula. I have used transpose formula a little less. I used to do just copy paste and transpose it. But now you have an amazing thing. So, for example, I have this data, something like this, and I wanted to arrange like in a horizontal way. So how do we do that? So over here, I will come and okay, if you want in future, if you add more data, automatically it should come over here. Then you should convert your data into table. Control T, enter, done. Name of the table is table 2. So I come over here and you will type equal to row. So that is today, which gives you system date to column, which we will apply on below data. Now we are using to row. So to row array means a range. Give me a range. So I say my range is table 2. Got it? Table 1 was the previous one, table 2. So I took the name. See, I took table 2. He selected this range. Did you saw that? Comma. Now he says ignore means if any cell is blank or if there is any error. So you wanted to keep it blank? I say yes. Ignore the blank. Means if blank comes, don't put the space here. So I say over here, ignore errors, ignore blanks, whatever you want. Even if you don't type, it's totally fine. But then if there is a blank cells over here, he will put the blanks. Okay. So I will say, for example, ignore blanks, comma. And then he asks you scan by row or a column. Means you want something like this or something like this. Means how he should see the data, like this or like this. But this is a optional. It's not compulsory. In fact, this is not compulsory. Only you just say to row and you select. But you see what is going to happen over here. When you press enter, you will be getting a result like this, which we don't want because you got Jan 57, Feb 31. Got it? No, I want Jan Feb like this and then the other like this. So here I will say equal and I say to row and I will select only this much and I press enter. Equal, okay, I should select this. Equal to row from months till here and you got like this. Equal to row and I select. So you will select individually and your work is done. Now I come over here and I say add the border, add this, bold, and in future if you add July over here, you press number over here, you get for July. You see on the right hand side, column L, you are getting this. Okay. August, you type September, you get for September. So this is also a very nice this. You use mostly this when you do the data modeling, when you create the data models. That time really we use this. I have used it in one of my models. So this is a very useful formula and simple formula. That's when you want to convert. The another formula which we will learn together is this one. This is though I had got one project, small project from one of the company that Ramzan, I have multiple groups, they had some product list and they wanted to arrange everything in order like this, one below this. They said, we don't want it to do like this, copy, paste, one below another. Is there any formula? So yes, there is a formula equal and you will say to call and just select the array. That's all. And your work is done. So this way you can do, normally you do transpose. You should have selected this, then transport, then selected this, then you say transpose. But here you get a direct option to call. select the range, and your work is done. Again, you can convert this into the table so that in future, if you add more data, automatically it comes down. So this is again a very nice option, everybody. You can use that is the to call. You select this data and then you say comma, ignore blanks. Yes, ignore blank, enter. So now you will not get the zero in between. Got it? Give it a try, everybody. So this was all about to row and to call.